2, 1, Juntos!
So this year's theme was Juntos we cultivate, together we cultivate. And last year we had a focus on growing Juntos after the pandemic. And we really wanted to dig in and really cultivate in the lives of the young people that were part of Academy this year. And so the whole experience for them was going deeper into a knowledge of access and experiences that would take them to the next level as they make decisions about what careers they want for their futures.
Summer Academy is an opportunity for students to come stay at NC State in a residential camp for about a week. And during that time, students get to experience different opportunities, learning about college life and residential life on campus as they go through skills workshops, careers, career classes, and different projects. These opportunities set up students for success as they take on higher education. Hearing from them how Summer Academy has led them to those options is very special for us. It's really the point of Summer Academy, and it's very impactful on students, and we'd love to hear how Academy has really changed a lot of their lives.